Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 90 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive. It is a short box. Come from out in western South Dakota, so pretty dry truck. Does got some dings in it and missing the moldings, but it'd be one you can just drive the way it is. And you want to repaint it or whatever. Some rock chips. Obviously, got some hail dings on the hood. I don't know if you can see them there. You probably can. And there's dings and scratches here and there. They scratched it when they took the moldings, or they took the paint off when they took the moldings off. Door come open too far once. Had grab handles in here. But the nice thing, nice and clean. No, basically very little rust. Interior's in good shape. It is XLT. Lariat, power windows, locks, cruise tilt. I'm guessing 187 on it for mileage. Said four-wheel drive with automatic and air. Little wear on the seat there, and then of course little carpet's a little dirty. We shampooed it once and just pulled that dirt up, so I'm sure we could hit it again and it'd get better. The only rust you're really going to find is a little bit bubbling on the rear wheels here. Like it says, rock chips. They probably had box caps on it at one time. That's what the rubbing is there. Box is in good shape, no issues there. So it'd be a relatively easy one to paint because there isn't a lot of rust repair. Just a little bit over the wheel wells, and it's not super bad, but like I said, cab corners are good. Like I said, interior, that little wear on that driver's seat's about your only issue. Otherwise, you won't have to do anything. So if you're looking for kind of a driver, these trucks are good investments. We did put new tires on it in the shop, got some new exhaust, so it's kind of ready to go. Just drive the way it is. Rear anti-lock light is on. That's the only thing I know it doesn't work. So any questions? 605-695-7391.